What's up guys, today we have the forged triple rivet cutlery 15-piece block set by Cuisinart. This is a high-end luxury knife set by Cuisinart. It comes with an amazing block of wood. This is very solid, very thick. I love the quality. So what we have here, we have first of all the 4.5 inches steak knife. So we have 6 of them. Then we have the 2.75 inches bird's beak paring knife. We have the 3.5 inches paring knife, 5.5 inches utility knife, 7 inches santoku knife, 8 inches slicing knife, and 8 inches chief knife. We also have the 8 inches sharpening steel.
Bon, t'es trop vite.